How to wirelessly charge your iPhone. Learn how to wirelessly charge your iPhone with Qi certified charging accessories. Your iPhone 8 or later features integrated wireless charging that allows for an easy and intuitive charging experience. Your iPhone works with Qi certified chargers that are available as accessories and in cars, cafes, hotels, airports, and furniture. Qi is an open, universal charging standard created by the Wireless Power Consortium, WPC. There are many Qi certified chargers available in the market that charge an iPhone with the latest version of iOS at rates up to 7.5 watts. These chargers are available at the Apple online store and Apple retail stores. Connect your charger to power. Use the power adapter that came with your accessory or a power adapter recommended by the manufacturer. Place the charger on a level surface or other location recommended by the manufacturer. Place your iPhone on the charger with the display facing up. For best performance, place it in the center of the charger or in the location recommended by manufacturer. Your iPhone should start charging a few seconds after you place it on your wireless charger. You should see the charge symbol in the status bar. Thanks for watching.